I can't talk today. I'm all tongue-tied. I'm having problems. Something's going on.
What?
Got mold in it.
Dude, it's all over my fucking hand.
God damn it! Look at the frickin' damn. You're such a fucking.
Oh my god! Oh, hey!
You're such a fucking pig. Stop it!
What? Okay. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for sneak peeks of pranks and vlogs before they even come out. Who Knows Zombie on Twitter.
Well, that's how I feel right now, and you're yelling at me, and I don't even know.
I don't even know what the fuck you want. I don't know what you want.
I have been asking you to do those flower gardens for freaking 4 years. That's why I finally said for them to do them. I even asked you on these ones when I was gone to Hawaii. Yes.
Why is
to
she
get all
crying?
the flowers. Because I'm getting so upset. I can't talk today. I'm all tongue-tied. I'm having problems. Something's going on. And I can't get it out. And you don't want to help because then that would require paying somebody $10 an hour to do some work.
I'm paying them right now. We're sitting here fucking arguing. So what's the difference? I don't know what you want me to do. Go out there and get some rocks, burn some wood. What else? I can't really.
I had plans for today, and all of a sudden you have plans to leave. Pick them up.
I'm gonna do that today. I'm not going nowhere. So fuck you, food and all that.
Now you're not going to get my food?
Fuck you.
You can get your food later. You don't have to have food at 1 o'clock.
Well, he said he's not going to do it today.
I got plenty of shit to keep me.
Oh, so now I starve because you get mad. You need to go to the store.
I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
Dude, look how fat you are. You don't.
Oh my god. You're fucking fat, dude.
Yeah, but
you're fucking fat. Look at yourself.
I didn't say I was starving.
Look at yourself.
I didn't say I was starving. You did. Oh, I'm starving, Mr. Fat Ass.
Whatever, dude. What?
Damn it, can you stop asking something so I keep crying about shit?
I was just asking you why you're crying.
Because I can't keep my thoughts straight. Everything is all jumbled today. I feel like I'm fucking 90 years old. I can't even think straight.
She didn't own the market on fucking bad days, you know?
Yeah, but you ain't gotta be a dick about it.
You know what? I'm about tired of your shit, too. Get the fuck out of my face.
I don't, dude, all I gotta say is you ain't gotta fucking make her cry, dude.
Well, you know what? It ain't my problem she's so sensitive about every little thing. Jesus Christ.
What's...
Grow up a little.
What is... So, why are you so fucking grumpy, dude? Like...
Because I had shit to do.
Who gives a
now
shit?
Everybody's getting in my way.
So, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm working.
I see that, but what? What are you working?
I got shit to do outside.
Oh, at least you're actually doing something in the shed. You gonna fix the shed like you were supposed to do?
Shut the fuck up. You don't do a damn thing, so you have no right to talk.
You guys, if you would actually... Guess what?
I got shit to do over there.
Yeah, so what? But guess what? If you fix the shed right now, you want to hear
I can't
about
fix
it.
the shit. I have to re-roof it, dude. You know how long that takes? I don't even have the material, so how am I going to fix it?
I was just saying, if you do it, maybe she wouldn't yell at you, and then you wouldn't yell, and then there wouldn't be fucking stupid-ass arguing all the time, because there's always... What?
If you would go away, there would be no yelling.
I'm not yelling.
No, I'm talking about on my part. Were you annoying me?
I'm walking in a shed. I call that working.
Hey,
oh,
dumbass,
look
I'm
at
looking
me.
for a shovel. If you shut your fucking mouth and listen.
Oh my god. There's a shovel right there.
Yeah, no handle. Oh, I'm supposed to use that? Right.
I didn't see that, okay?
Yeah, I noticed.
Oh my god.
Go away.
You guys, he actually is working. It's surprising. Usually he doesn't do anything my mom wants him to do. So I'm actually surprised. Yo. Oh man, I think I'll put that over here. Let's see.
Plug that shit back in.
Dude, what? It fell out, bro.
Yeah, you just happen to be standing next to it.
No, seriously, it did. I'll put it back in for you, though. Dude, I'm trying to find something, okay?
Yeah, like what? Tell me what it is.
What the fuck do you need to know, yo? I don't...
You don't even know, do you?
Do you know where it's at, though?
What?
Do you know where the bicycle pump is, dude?
Use a bicycle pump.
Well, I'm looking for a bicycle pump.
Okay, bye.
Do you know where it's at? Oh my god. Do you know where it's at?
No, I don't. Why would I?
I don't know. What?
Plug that shit in.
Dude, it fell out. Seriously, it fell out, but I can put it back in.
Yeah. How come it's never fallen out before?
It fell out, okay?
How come it's never fallen out before until you walk over next to it?
No, it fell.
Bullshit. Get the hell away. Just get away from this shit.
Do you know where the bicycle pump is, by the way?
Dude, why you keep asking me about the stupid bicycle
I'm looking for a bicycle
For
pump.
what? You're not
You guys,
gonna
I want to
ride a
ride
bike?
this bike. I
You
want to
don't
ride the
even know
bike.
how to ride a
Look
bike.
at this, dude. Okay?
You don't even know how to ride a bike.
Whatever. I can ride a bike. I'm not a
I don't
fucking
think
idiot,
you
dude.
pump up those tires enough to hold up your fat ass.
I'll look for it for myself. I don't need your help
Good.
then.
Leave me alone.
It might be over here. Is it over here? I'm not gonna shut up.
Well, leave me alone.
Well, how about you help me find it and then... What? What? No,
Get
no.
away from this shit.
No.
Come on.
Okay, look.
Let's go. Get.
The bicycle. Okay, fuck.
It ain't over here. Let me
You
guess.
guys.
Happened to fall out, right?
Yes, dude, I swear. Oh my god. It's just a joke. I mean,
Real funny.
yeah, it's, you know.
Some work done around here.
Oh yeah, because she fucking argued with you an hour. You could have done it earlier, but you didn't. I was just
None of
joking.
your business, okay?
I was just joking. You motherfucker.
You know what?
I was joking, bro. It was whatever. You can't take a joke. You can't ever take a joke. Huh?
I can't get into it down here.
It was a joke. You guys, like, I think I'm gonna call this video is my mom having a mental breakdown. Because she's been crying all day, her legs been hurting. Now she seems to be in a little bit better of a mood, but she just started asking me, do I ever talk to the birds, like, say, hey, what's your name? And so suddenly, what the fuck? That's fucking weird. Yo, she said the birds tell her what their name. What are you?
It goes in my head what their name is.
What's the name? Gert?
Okay.
What the fuck?
Remember when we had a fence?
No, the name, the battery's dying. Give me the
Gertrude was one.
Gertrude.
This one says Mortimer. I've never heard of the name Mortimer. Why would I just think of that?
Sometimes we have random thoughts. That's what that is.
How am I gonna have
Hold
a
up.
thought of a name?
Hey, birdie, what's your name? Hello? She said it's Mortimer. Is that true?
No, they're boys. Those are girls. The new bird, stupid.
What?
The
What?
new bird.
Okay. Why didn't you name them that name if that's what they told you? You just said, oh, hey, fuck them. I don't give a shit what their fucking name is. I'll name
That's a weird ass.
I'll name what the fuck I want. You know?
It's him over there by the window.
All right. So what the girls tell you their
Go
name?
ask him and see if you hear anything in your head.
Oh my god, this is dumb.
You gotta really listen.
Hey, what's your name, birdie?
Well,
That's weird. That's fucking weird. That's
You're
creepy.
lying.
No, that's weird. He told me his name was Fuckface. The other one. Let me go see if they got another name. Come on, let's go ask them together. What do you mean? Come on, let's go ask them together.
just go away.
Hold up. Hey, what's your name? Holy shit, shithead Sam.
You're an asshole.
What?
Find my damn phone.
Oh shit, that you're right, dude. That's crazy. I thought she was crazy at first. I guess. What? Don't look at me like that.
Now, you wait until somebody writes you back and tells you they have the same stuff happen.
Oh, yeah, right, dude. So, yeah, I'm gonna title this shit, Are You Having a Mental Breakdown? For real. Like, she's in pain. She's been crying a lot today. She's been angry. Now she's hearing the birds tell her their names. The fuck? Oh, my God. It's always fun to make fun of money in front of your... No, I can't fucking talk. Shut up. Don't make fun of me.
Yeah. You have a mental breakdown?
No, I'm not. Fuck you. I have a mental breakdown. What are you doing? Are you guys... What are you doing?
Asshole, go away.
How did you just choke? You said, Sam, what's your name? Hey, back the fuck.
Get out of here.
Oh my god.
You're gonna make me choke to death.
Well, that's funny. I thought it was funny. Anyways, yeah, I've been sick all day, you guys. Just, I don't know. I had to pick up the camera. When she asked me that question, did the birds ever telepathically tell you their name? So I had to film it. But yeah, I'm not feeling good right now, so I'm probably gonna put this down. But hey, I had to film that. Mom, what the? Thought she was in here. Dude, you guys, I just realized something. It's like 2:35. Oh my god, I almost couldn't tell time. I'm not good at reading those clocks, obviously. But dude, I just realized something. It's like 2:35 and my sister's not even up yet, dude. I thought she was gone. It's like her car's here. Car's in the driveway. Mom. What the fuck? I swear I just heard something. And this is why we ask, is our house haunted? Because I'm always hearing sounds in this house, dude, like all the time. And there's nothing there. That's really weird. I swear to God, she was in the hallway. I thought that was my mom. But no, my sister's not up yet, dude. What the fuck? Like, her car's here. I thought she was gone. I thought she was gone visiting someone or something. Because she lives in Hawaii, so when she's here visiting, she'll go visit friends that she hasn't seen in a while. And I thought that was happening, but it's not. She's not up yet, dude. That's crazy. You guys, I heard another sound. Like, oh, wait, is that her? Wait, what the fuck is going on? Did she throw it out? Hello? Can I come in?
Why's the hallway light on?
Did you make a noise out here?
I turned the light off. Threw that garbage down.
Okay, because I heard something earlier. Where's Christina? She's still sleeping.
Yes.
It's like 2:35. Yeah. Are you going to bed?
2 hours.
What the fuck? Alright, well, guess it's just me and my dad. Yay. Well, he's outside, so hopefully he stays out there. But yeah, my sister's been in bed all day, dude. Like, what the fuck? That's weird. And my mom's going to sleep. So, I don't know. Hey, are you still working out here, or?
What do you think? No, I just snapped my fingers and everything's done.
I was just asking. Wow, what a fucking rude ass. Huh? Yeah, well, in a rude fucking way. What are you doing? Yeah, like what are you doing working? How long are you gonna be? How about that? That's what I want to know. Oh, wow. You see that? Smart ass attitude. No, yeah. I just wanted to check, see how long he's gonna be working, because I really don't feel like hanging out with him right now. I don't really feel like hanging out with him, so I want to see if he's gonna be out there for a while, or what? Because now my mom's asleep, so it's just gonna be me and him, and usually when it's just me and him, it doesn't work out too well, so we usually get in a big argument or something. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. I'm gonna bother him. It's so fucking fun. Hold on. No, this is fun. Hold on. He's not having a good time. Hey, he wants to be a fucking smartass, dude, and be a dick. I'm gonna fucking be a dick back. Where the fuck you go? What the fuck? Yo! Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. He's fucking ignoring me. Hey, little bitch, turn around. Turn around. What a dick. He won't even look. Fuck you, bitch. Holy shit, she's awake. Oh my god, you guys. How the fuck did you sleep all day? It's like, what time is it now? It was 2:35 when I started vlogging about you being a bed all fucking day. It's almost 3 now, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, I thought you were about to say, I don't like talking to people. Wow. I guess I'm the same way too. When I wake up, well, no, actually I'm just like depressed, but I can still talk to people. You were depressed in the morning too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like really depressed when I wake up, you guys, like the worst depression ever. But I'm surprised she's actually up. I was worried. I thought you were dead. Not really, but it seemed, I mean, I might as well have been, because like, holy shit. Okay, you guys, I think I'm having a mental breakdown. Like, I'm hearing noises, dude. Like, what the fuck? Yo, do you hear noises in this house a lot?
Birds making a lot of noise.
No, just other noises around the house, just random. At all? Nothing at all?
I mean, I hear your dinosaur footsteps when I'm trying to sleep, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Anyways, no, I swear to God, because you see me go inside and you was like, what the fuck? But no, I swear to God, I just heard Mommy say, Ralph? Or, I heard something. It sounded like Mommy talking.
Oh,
And I go in there, I said, did you say anything? And nobody answered. And then earlier I heard something,
Well, earlier when I was in bed, even when I had my earplugs in, I could hear him always saying, Ralph! Ralph!
what, yelling at him?
Yeah, I was in the bedroom and I could hear her yelling, and I had my earplugs in.
Yeah, they were pretty angry at each other today, you guys. Which is another reason why I want to film. I didn't get that one, but they were yelling, trust me. It was pretty loud, so I could believe that you probably could hear it. But no, I mean like noises like just not them.
I hear people say stuff, I think somebody saying my name, but I don't know if they were saying my name.
No. So maybe I'm having a mental breakdown, you guys. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. You guys, what the fuck?
Come on.
You got it, dude?
Come on.
You got it, bro.
Help me out, asshole.
I believe in you, bro.
Quit fucking around.
Alright. Joseph. Okay.
Tired of this shit.
Okay, go.
I want to get it done, asshole.
This is not gonna fit, you dumbass. Yeah. Right, dude. It's not even halfway in. Oh my god. You guys, I don't think it's gonna fit. We'll see.
Open it.
I'm watching you try to make it fit.
I'm going to make it fit.
You sure you're gonna fit in there? Yeah, because you know trash goes into trash. And since you're trash, you might want to hop in there. I don't think you're gonna fit in there with it. Oh, it's not fitting.
Yeah, it's gonna fit. I hate to tell you.
Damn it! Fuck you. Did he? Oh my god. He's been really grumpy today, you guys. Like, I've been joking around a lot with him, and I don't know, he's even when I'm not joking around, he's still grumpy. He can never take a fucking joke. Like, well, I moved the garbage. Oh, I moved the garbage. Oh, today's been boring, you guys, and then we have Mr. Grumpy Pants, and yeah, it all adds up to a pretty shitty day, I think. So, I don't know, hopefully this vlog is interesting. I don't know if it will be. It's been just a bunch of arguing and a bunch of bullshit. By the way, I finally got the, finally made a spot for it so it's not in the way. And by the way, I washed that, and guess what? I'm recording this because she made a promise, you guys, that if I wash that and it's clean, she'll make some fucking smoothies.
And how long did it take you to wash it?
What's that matter? You said you promised if it's washed. She didn't say if it's washed in a day or a week. You didn't say anything about that, so don't tell me you're about to fucking back out and not make fucking smoothies. You're still making me a smoothie, by the way.
Yeah, the last smoothie I made you took you like a week or two to clean the damn thing.
Yeah, okay, look, okay, I did it, fuck, it took me a while to wash. Okay, Coco, god damn it. Fucking retards, they always bark when I film anything. Anytime I'm trying to talk to a camera, ruff, ruff, Every fucking time. By the way, I did my fucking part. I cleaned it, so you're gonna fucking make me a smoothie now? I fuck... Doing what? What's so important? You said...
through my emails.
You said if I fucking cleaned that, you would make a smoothie.
I didn't say I was gonna jump off my ass the minute you got the damn thing done. How long did it take you to do it?
I didn't know. I mean, shit. Alright, fine. Alright, you done barking? Fucking assholes? I mean, shit. Oh my god, more fucking dogs want in. Come on. Go.
What the fuck? Are you serious?
What? I just trying to give it to you. Oh my god, I was giving it to you so you remember. Here, make me a fucking smoothie.
Get out of my face.
But no, seriously, I'm sick, so can you please just make me a smoothie?
You're sick? What do you think I am?
You're not sick.
I hurt everywhere.
Okay,
You rub my shoulders?
Why did this turn into, hey, you clean that, you rub my shoulders, and then I make you a smoothie? Like, what?
What do you want? Strawberries?
Huh? Yeah. Something. I mean, shit, I just cleaned the fucking... And now the fucking cat's meowing over here. What? What? Meow! First the fucking dogs, now the fucking cat. Well, you gonna get the fuck up or what?
Hello? I might not get up, period. Talk to me like that.
Please make a smoothie.
Plus, you're upsetting my birds.
Oh, what the fuck ever. What did they tell you that telepathically? Yo, you guys, did they tell you that telepathically? You guys, she fucking said that their birds talk to her telepathically, so I guess...
I did not.
Yeah, you did. I got that on video, so you can't fucking pretend. That's right. You fucking know that's true. I did not my ass. Fuck yeah, right.
I didn't say they talk to me. I said they tell me their name.
That's considered talking, dude. What? I didn't say they talk to me. They just tell me their name. Dude, that's talking if you didn't realize it. Hey, oh, shit.
Think I'm nuts.
Well, don't say stupid shit and they won't think you're crazy. Hold up. Dude, did you not hear that? Shithead Sam just said he wants you to make me a smoothie. No, seriously, Shithead Sam. Sam, isn't that...
That ain't his name.
I know it's Shithead Sam. I said it halfway because I... What?
That ain't his name.
It's a pretty good name. Anyways, he said he wants you to make me a smoothie, so please do that.
His name is Mortimer.
Mortimer, my ass.
Yeah, somebody said make it Mo.
Make it... Anyways... How about making I want Mo smoothies? What the fuck ever. I heard specifically, please make Joey a smoothie.
No, they don't talk to you, remember?
Yeah, they do. Shit, Sam does. He's my best friend. What are you talking
I
about?
don't have a bird named Sam, so I guess that shows.
No, I know. It's Shithead Sam. I want a smoothie.
Yeah, everybody's gonna watch this, and they'll probably say, get off your lazy fucking ass and make your own.
She said that she would make me one. See, it's called principle.
Principle?
Yeah.
Principle.
You don't know what the fuck that means.
I know what a principle is.
No, principle. It's like, if you say you do something, you're gonna do... Oh, wait. If you say you're gonna do something, own up to it and do it. It's called having principle. How do I know this and you don't? I'm autistic.
I hope you know what you're talking about.
I do know what I'm talking about. Dude, I'm autistic and I know this and she's not. What? Autistic people, 1. Normal people, 0. But you gotta look at it like this. I'm autistic and I don't talk to birds. She's not autistic and she does.
Look, I'm getting closer. Hello, I'm trying to take care of this stuff.
See this right here?
A blender.
It needs strawberries. Whatever else goes in a smoothie.
Yogurt goes in a smoothie.
She's actually making me a smoothie.
Yeah,
Holy shit.
Look at the counter that Joey was supposed to clean off. See the note?
Oh my god. How much you worry about the smoothie?
Lazy ass. And you got something in this refrigerator that smells. Run stuff. I don't know what in the fuck stinks.
Will you hurry the fuck up, please?
Don't even talk to me like that.
Well, you're taking fucking forever, dude.
Because something in this refrigerator stinks.
Oh my god.
That's soup. Your dad told me there was not no
Hurry up!
cheese soup in here.
Come on!
I'm gonna knock the crap out of you in about 2 minutes. I found my fly swat.
Just...
Oh my god.
What? It's dog food. That's where it goes. That's where
They
it goes.
don't go all the way back there.
You always tell me to put the dog food in the fridge. You say, hey, Joey.
Not all the way to the freaking back.
You fucking say to put it in there every time. So I do. I swear, when I do something, you bitch about it. And when I don't do something, you bitch about it.
Yeah, well, you don't do something more often than you do something.
Oh, whatever. I did the dishwasher. Well, actually, no, I didn't. I didn't do that. But that's because I'm sick.
What, you're sick, so you did the dishwasher?
No, I didn't do it.
Ah, shit.
I thought I did it, but no, I didn't do it today because I'm sick today.
Damn it.
Oh my god. Are you going to take forever?
I might.
Well, oh my god. You came in here to make a smoothie. Now you're cleaning out a fucking fridge.
I'm looking for yogurt.
Sometime today, you know. Maybe one day I'll get my smoothie, you guys, but probably not.
They'll probably all tell you to get off your lazy ass and do it yourself.
Principle.
What the fuck has a damn principal got to do with this shit?
I can't believe she doesn't know what the fuck. No, I'm not, dude. Like, are you serious? You gotta be joking. That's so funny. You don't know what that is. Oh my god, you guys. Look, are you fucking serious? You got shit everywhere.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the refrigerator.
That's not cleaning, you're just piling up shit. Dude, she's piling up shit everywhere. She's always getting on me about putting shit on the cupboards, and now she's putting shit
That
everywhere.
stuff needs to go down the sink. It's rotten. Oh.
Where in the hell is it gonna go down the sink?
It's called
How are you?
sink out.
What?
It's called clean the sink.
I can't even get this.
Oh, man.
Fuck!
You fucking asshole.
No! Oh my god, I was trying to get it with one fucking hand!
Yeah, well, what an idiot. Now you got something to clean up down there.
Oh my god. I was trying to get it with one fucking hand, dude. Yeah, you could have helped me. I was actually gonna pour it down the sink for you, but no, you could have helped me. How about you?
Joseph, I'm trying to go through this damn shit up here.
I know, but how about you clean it up then? Since you can't help me, why should... What?
Looks
Oh
like
my
pizza
god,
sauce.
nobody cares. Are you gonna help me?
So what are you gonna do now? You're gonna have to get paper towels.
Me? You wouldn't even help me open it. I said, I can't open this.
Moldy, moldy, moldy.
Oh my god, dude.
You want your stuff to have a little bit of sweetener in it?
Why the fuck do they gotta make the lid so fucking tight? Huh? Are you seriously not gonna help me, like, at all?
Joseph, I'm seriously cleaning out the cupboard.
There's shit on the floor. I need help. I'll wipe it up, but I need a little bit of help,
I just
like
said,
a little
get
bit.
some paper towels.
I know, I'll do that part.
Oh shit, I've gotta go.
Well, like, if you fucking can at least pick that thing up and put it somewhere, because I don't know where to put it.
Back on the counter where I had it.
It's got shit all over it. It's gonna get the count. Okay, fuck it. I think there's shit. Never mind. I thought there was shit on it. Where's the paper towels?
You know, they're gonna bring all kinds of food home and expect to put it in this fridge.
Where's the paper towels?
Up there, above the clean on the counter sign. Oh my god, Joey.
What?
Don't have any dogs come in here looking that up because that's got mold in it.
Dude, it's all over my fucking hand.
God damn it!
What? I was wiping my hand, dude. It's not that big of a deal. You act like I fucking have a disease, dude. What?
Get the camera down and get cleaning up that damn shit.
Here, just put that over there. Here, I'm serious. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What did you do? Oh, fuck you, motherfucker. Hey, okay. No, come on, dude. It was... Okay, I'm coming in. Do not fucking...
Get that damn thing off the floor. Look at the frickin' damn, you're such a fucking...
Oh, my God! Oh, hey!
You're such a fucking pig. Look at this shit. I'm tired of cleaning up after your ass. That's not...
Hey, ow! Fuck, dude, hey! God damn it. Okay, fucking Christ.
Do something. Maybe breathe.
Give me the fucking fly swatter. I'm putting that
Give
back.
you flies what?
Give me
Get
the...
that down there.
Let me put the fly swatter up so I can actually clean that without worrying about you slapping me with a fucking fly
I
swat.
won't slap you as long as you clean. Yeah. And don't use all the damn paper towels. Now I can't even freaking breathe.
Oh, fuck.
Damn it. Stop it!
What? Hey,
Oh,
dude,
fucking asshole.
you should about
One
fucking
more
go.
time, and I'm not making you this music.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it again.
The only one to get one is
hey, fucking, what the fuck? Okay, I'm done. Fucking Christ. Ow, fuck, you got me, motherfucker. Oh, shit.
This goes off cupboard breaks. I'm not getting another one. There ain't no yogurt. Get in there and tell your dad before they leave Walmart.
Okay, where's the phone? Yeah, that's right, you fucking. Hey, goodbye. Yeah, that's the last fucking thing I need here is him fucking bitch at me too. Oh my god.
Well, before I forget, we need to, if you're still at Walmart, we need vanilla yogurt. If you're not at Walmart, you want to shine your son now alive by the time you get home.
What's that?
I said, your son might not be alive when you get home.
What's going on?
He's got this damn camera in my face, and then I was cleaning out some stuff I found mildewed in the kitchen, and he knocks it off the cupboard, it's all over the floor, and he's sticking his hand in it and putting it on my face or my arms, or...
I was trying to
I don't
open
think
it.
he knows how.
Alright, I'm gonna clean up that shit, you guys. I'm obviously gonna clean it up. Who, me? Why am I the asshole? I was just messing with you. You fucking hit me with that fucking thing. Yeah, well that fucking hurt. Hell no, fuck that. Who's got the fly swat now? I'm gonna end the video, you guys. Be sure to subscribe, click like. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this shit up. I just want to let you guys know that I created a second channel called EG Extra, where I'm going to upload extra vlogs, unseen footage, sneak peeks of vlogs for this channel, and crazy pranks for this channel. And not only that, I'm going to upload gameplays, I'm going to do collabs with you guys on that channel, and I'm going to do live streams. So if you guys like any of that, or you want to see any of that, make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell for the channel. The link will be in the description.